come with me to open my Christmas gift. It's a Japanese office wear pencil set, Blackwing. This is very, very popular. They were on Good Mythical Morning once, a very long time ago. I chose the balanced pencil. There's 4 different types: the firm, balanced, soft, as well as natural. The pencil sharpener was made of pure steel, I swear, very, very tough material, and the wood itself was very firm, stiff, and crisp, very good for sharpening a pencil. It wasn't moist at all, so it was awesome. You can open up this sharpener and remove all of its contents very easily. It was really nice. Much enjoyed that part of it. And this is to cover the tip of your pencil so it doesn't fray or get hurt at any point. You can keep your pencil nice and safe. However, I do have a review. The pencil was fantastic, writing and drawing beautiful, so soft, but erasing on the other hand, 7 out of 10.